friends, I'm Taupriyan.
I'm Jaypriya.
Today we're back with another delicious recipe.
And it's a meat recipe.
Yes, so the recipe is going to be chicken tikka. So if you guys want to learn how to make it, let's go.
She's out for
Pour 4 tablespoons of yogurt, but I measured it into this cup. After that, put 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Put Kashmiri red chili powder, but it's 1 tablespoon. We measured into this little cup.
So the next thing we need is 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So the next thing we need is 1 teaspoon of cumin seed powder. So the next thing we need is half teaspoon of black pepper powder. So we also need 1 teaspoon of kara masala. We also need salt as needed. We also need half of a lemon juice.
So then start mixing all of them until everything is soaked together.
Make sure you mix it very well.
Then put the 16 chicken pieces into the bowl and then start mixing. Mix until everything with the chicken is soaked. Also, specifically, the masala has to be blended and not blended, soaked in with the chicken. Keep mixing very good.
So then start mixing it very well until the chicken is soaked with the masala.
Yes, sister, you said it right. So everything has to be soaked in with the chicken. Now, after we mixed all of them together, we have to cut the yellow, green, and red, and also red onion into pieces. So as you can see here, we cut all the vegetables like the peppers and red onion into pieces like the chicken. So then we're gonna put it in and then mix it. So then put all the vegetables in and then start mixing it with the chicken and everything in. It should look like this. So we're gonna put aluminum foil in it like this. And then you guys wanna refrigerate it for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. So after 1 hour of refrigeration, we're gonna take it out. As you can see, it looks very refrigerated and good. So now we're gonna do the other step. So it's been refrigerated. So the next step is that we have to stick it on to the skewers. So we're gonna start sticking it, poking it and putting it into the skewer.
Make sure you poke all of it on, like this. Even the red onion.
Yeah, the red onion, everything has to be like together, this with the stick and everything.
So I'm gonna stick the other one on.
Do you need help, Priya?
No thanks.
Okay, you're a big girl.
I can do it all by myself.
Yeah, I'll do the other one.
Right now I need to put it. And I'm gonna stick the other one. Yay! Guys, make sure you put it in the middle.
It goes like red pepper,
Green onion and purple onion. But first I'm doing the green onion.
Hey, it's not green onion, it's green pepper.
Oh, I didn't know that. Now the purple onion. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the chicken on. Delicious chicken.
So you should like mix like chicken, vegetable, because it's also healthy for you. Because it has all the vegetables and yeah.
I'm gonna put the other chicken.
Good job.
I love chicken.
Make sure it's centered, so you should push the green pepper like this together.
Now I'm gonna put the red onion. Oops, forgot to put it in the
Good
middle.
job. It looks so juicy.
Make
really
so when
wonderful
we
to eat.
eat it,
Yeah.
it's gonna be delicious.
Put the
Now the
red
chicken. And then I'm gonna put the purple onion.
Yeah, purple onion. It's not purple onion. Hey, it's red onion.
Oh, looks purple to me. Chicken, delicious.
So as you can see here, one of the chicken sewer tikka is also ready. So we're gonna make you another one. Whoa, it looks so. Now I'm gonna make the second one.
So now I'm gonna put the other one. First chicken. Make sure you poke in the middle. Remember. Now the vegetable. I'm gonna put the purple onion.
Red onion.
I keep on mixing those two up.
Okay, see, practice with me.
Now
Red
the
onion.
chicken.
Yes.
Red onion.
Good job.
But right now I'm putting the chicken.
I put the chicken and then mix it with vegetable.
Green onion.
It's green pepper.
Aww. I don't know why I'm mixing these up. Now the chicken. Delicious. Now the red pepper. Yay, I finally said pepper.
Good job. Congratulations.
Now where's the chicken? Oh, here it is. Now I'm gonna put the purple onion. Oh, I said it again. Now the chicken. Juicy chicken. Now the red pepper. Now the chicken again. Delicious.
Now we're gonna put it in the grill. You can also use optionally tawa, but we need to cook it on the grill for 450 Fahrenheit and also 20 to 25 minutes. But you have to cook it on one side for 10 minutes and then flip it to the other side and cook it for 15 minutes. And then finally broil it for 2 minutes for the color. We have to go to the grill, or you can cook it on the tawa for 450 Fahrenheit for the oven. So you have to put it for 20 to 25 minutes, cook it for 10 minutes on one side, and then flip to the other side and cook it for 15 minutes. And then finally broil it for 2 minutes for the color. So let's go. Our chicken tikka is ready and it is super delicious. Delicious, and the color is very good, guys. Oh my god, it's actually mouth-watering. It's very good. So I'm gonna show you guys up close. So guys, this chicken tikka is looking very good.
Juicy.
And I want to eat it right now. It's making me hungry.
I'm starving.
Oh my god, yes,
I can't wait to eat
it's
it.
very healthy and you should try it for your kids. It's another easy recipe.
But make sure you don't poke
Basically,
yourself.
it's a seasoned chicken that we're just like putting it with some vegetables and putting on a stick after we roast it. Yeah, guys.
It looks so delicious.
Yeah, it looks so delicious. So you guys want to try this recipe. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to click the subscribe button.
And also like.
Yeah, but for more videos of us together, you guys want to click the red button for us to appreciate you guys.
So guys, this video is finished.
So until the next video, we're your TamillanBro.